And he provided very little information, but I was able to piece together that when they took him to jail, he said nothing was found on me. No softball-sized bag of white stuff, like they said. No baggie at all was found. Somebody had asked, are you going to file a lawsuit? He said, yes, I'm pursuing an attorney now to do so. It sounds like they are still trying to jam him up. Criminal charges are still pending, even though they apparently found nothing. Somebody asked him who were the officers and the department involved here, and he said that this was the St. Clair County, Michigan Sheriff's Department. Cronkite Reeves was the officer, and the off-duty officer was Stalker. But Cronkite was the arresting officer. So their theory was wrong. Apparently there was no bag up any of his orifices. So where is the bag? He just outsmarted them. It's still hidden somewhere on that vehicle. Nobody can be innocent in their eyes when they have a hunch. Unfortunately, a lot of times the courts don't care when officers violate the Fourth Amendment and perform an illegal search, so long as their hunch was correct and they actually did find the drugs. Where they have problems is where they don't find the drugs, where they were wrong. Here, it appears they were wrong. They end up taking an innocent guy to jail who was not found with any bag of drugs. He was abused. He's still being drugged through the criminal justice system, probably on some sort of BS obstruction or resisting charge, despite the fact that he had no drugs. I think maybe he had some sort of outstanding warrant related to child support, so he may not have a false arrest claim if he does file a lawsuit, if that's the case. Although if they didn't have the right to forcibly obtain his identification, he wouldn't have been arrested. But as far as the main point of this video goes, while there was a tip from what the courts would consider a credible source, a police officer, that tip was not corroborated. When they got there, the guy initially explained who the black guy was,